LIPAC is a venture company based on Seoul, South Korea, who provides a new methodology of assembling any types of photonic and electrical ICs in a single package form factor using advanced semiconductor packaging technology such as FOWLP. We call this new methodology Optical System in Package, or OSIP in short. Compared to the conventional methodology of assembly called chip-on-board, in which photonic and electrical ICs are aligned on PCBA and connected by wire bonding, through OSIP, all the components required for electric photonic conversion are all aligned and connected in a wafer level using a semiconductor processes. By changing the assembly method to OSIP, final optical engine products can be superior in many aspects. First, as FOWLP is a semiconductor packaging process which provides the thinnest package thickness, the size of the package can be minimal. Second, as our package does not require any wire bonding to connect ICs, parasitic components in the electrical connection can be minimized so that it is much suitable for the higher speed products. Third, since the packaging process is done in a wafer level, we can achieve high volume production capability as well as a reasonable cost for packaging. Lastly, for thermal management, since our package has a flat surface on the top, it is easier to design the additional heat path than the chip-on-board structure. We believe that this strength of OSIP will contribute to improving the quality of optical interconnect and optical sensor products, especially CPO and onboard optics application where the compact size, high-speed signal performance, high volume production capacity, lower cost, and better thermal management are strictly required. So for more detailed information, please visit us at booth 4740 in OFC 2022.